Hello everyone, you're welcome. Wherever you're watching from, please join us. You're welcome to this live broadcast. I hope I'm live and everyone can see the chart. That's what I am assuming right now. Everyone can see the chart. Please, if you can, leave a comment. Comment below, please. Let me know you can see this so we get started properly. Please join in wherever you're watching from. All right, so what we can see immediately, I'm looking at the Euro USD. Sorry, the Euro JPY, that's Euro Japanese Yen. Euro Yen, I'm looking at the Euro Yen, right? Euro Yen. And if you have time, you can go read my article, right, on my website, my technical analysis for the week for the Pound USD and Euro USD right there. Go check it out. It's filled with a lot of information that will help you also on TradingView, right? Of course, don't forget to follow me on TradingView. And if you want us to send you information on how to earn money, kindly leave your name and email, right? We'll get back to you as soon as we can. So back to what I was saying. If you're seeing this live, please leave a comment, right? Leave a comment. So okay, we can immediately see this is the rejection region, kind of demand around this region. Of course, this is obviously a supply. Why? Because this region rejected, I don't know what's at the left of it. Okay, obviously this rejected here, push tested again, so you can think of it as the resistance, right? Initially it was support, right? Then broken, turned resistance. You can think of it that way, but I love to think of it as a supply region, right? You know what demand and supply is, right? This is a region, right? If price needs to move from this to this, there's obviously a demand, right? DD, that's making the price to move upward. Of course, if price is going down, it means sellers are selling, right? That is S, right? And of course, that will make price move to this region, right? So that's demand and supply. So if you assume price moves in track, right, like a railway track, right? This is a railway track. Or okay, let's use vertical instead, right? I assume we can't use vertical. We'll have to use horizontal, right? It has to be horizontal, right? Let's assume this is the track, right? A railway track, that's the midpoint. If price needs to move from one level to another level, this is likely the pattern price is likely to move, right? So we assume that this is a demand, right? And of course this is a supply, right? So when price move from demand to supply, price rejected at supply and is moving downward to demand again. If there's enough demand, price might likely push forward. If there's not enough demand, price might likely, that means sellers are more than buyers, right? So demand equals to buyers, then supply equals to sellers. That's basic demand and supply concept, right? So that's that right there. All right, so let's go back. We can clearly see price rejected, right, multiple times here, 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 here. So price is pushing back to that region again. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame, I already have that marked. I have that in mind. So what I need, if price reaches this region, I want to see a pattern on the lower time frame to make a decision either to trade or let it go, right? That's the essence. Please, if you've seen this live, leave a comment. Let me know what's up. Let me know what you think. I'm experiencing a delay, right? I think I'm experiencing a delay. I'll try to sort it out right next time. So my previous live session, I did made a very clear analysis, right, of why price should reject around this region, because we obviously can see that this is a supply region, and I felt that there are a lot of orders for demand around this gap right there. That's what I thought, but for some reasons I felt, because I've seen many times that when this gap is totally filled, right, price might likely go down. But what I failed to realize here was, after the gap was filled, price returned and gap is holding again. More or less like it's still holding, right? It's still holding, but I failed to realize that. So like in my previous, if you watch my previous stream, you notice that I did right there the midpoint, right? I took a trade. I would have been up, right? I would have been up. My stop loss was at the low. Right there. So I would have been up about 4 hours, right? Of course, that's significant, but for some reason I was scared, right? So what I learned from this experience is this, right? For me, I am going to forget, right? Whenever I enter a trade, I'll just assume that the trade, there's two outcomes, right? There's two outcomes. It's either you win or you take a loss, right? If I had gone into, or rather, if I had allowed this mindset to play at the moment, I would have been winning, right? But what I did was I put my, if you watched the live session, you will notice I put my stop to break even, and the price came back and stopped me out. So that's, to me, well, we learn every day. But I think next time, what I would do next time is, after putting my trade and putting my stop loss, I accept this loss in totality, right? If it's $500, in this case was $50 loss, so that was pretty small. I don't know why. Psychology, well, that is what I'm still struggling with in my trading, right? I believe I will overcome it soon, and I believe you guys can help me out. So if you have any tactics, any memes, any way I can overcome it, please comment, let me know. Let me learn from you. That's the essence of this whole live session, so be able to interact and learn from each other. So that's the state of things right now. So what I'm expecting is price should at least reach a reasonable point before I make another decision, but I'm looking for a fair way. I still think this low will be taken because of what I had in mind in my previous live session. So I still believe, and the previous live session I did unveil a simple tactics that can enable you identify a double bottom, right, or a double top, right? You can go watch it out. But since we're already here, let's take this off and see clearly. So the logic is simple. If you identify a gap, right, and price close, the first bar that close inside the gap, the open of it, right, might likely reject price at least to form 1, 2, 3 or ABC right there, right? So right, A, B, then C at least. But in this case, we went way beyond what I thought. So fine, we learn every day. So guys, if you're just joining us live, my name is Clinton. Because I teach people how to earn money online and also learn while teaching people how to earn money. So basically we are in this together. So if you like what I do, please, I will encourage you to leave a like, leave a comment, of course subscribe, so you'll be part of this amazing community. We grow together, right? This community is going to grow together, so I will encourage you to be part of it. Join Clint Onos, right? Subscribe. Of course, you can go to my website regularly for update. That's when necessary. So that's that, folks. What's this? Don't need that right now. That's what I'm waiting for. Is there anything right here for pound USD? All right. Okay, I expected the price to pull down, but it's currently pushing up. Why? Probably test this region again, or just test this open right there and reject. So now we're standing. I'm looking for, I know this is an uptrend, right? This, if you go to a lower time frame, 4 hour time frame, of course it's obvious, right? Price is making higher low, higher high, probably made a low here, right? Or even violate and change structure, right? So no panic. My expectation is still very intact. I look forward to seeing price reject, and if I see a pattern on a lower time frame, 15 minutes for entry, I'll trigger for a sell. But now am I participating in the buy? Not at all. I'm waiting for price to go up. Please guys, if you like what I'm doing, I encourage you to leave a comment, right? Of course, if you have any particular chart you want us to look at, I am open, right? Please just leave a comment, man. Let's do this. All right, for the Euro USD, kind of slow, right? But it's still the same logic. I'm expecting price to push back. Price is currently going down. I expected the Euro USD to push up, right? And it didn't do that. It's pound USD that is pushing up. And I never expected this to push up today, but it's all fine. It's Monday, so price is likely finding a balance, right? So that's it, guys. We'll be looking forward to New York Open. We'll be happy if someone can comment, right? Let me comment myself. You're welcome to live stream. You're welcome to live Forex trading. Please leave a comment. Leave a like, leave a comment. Well, it's kind of slow. Of course, it's expected because there's really not much, right? The German IFO business climate was released positive. That was a boost for the euro, right? And that's 6 p.m. So there's really not much high impact news for Monday. I think that's why we are seeing a very slow volatility. Wow. Gold is moving. Gold is moving. Interesting double top pattern here, but I wasn't I wasn't even checking this, so it's better you don't close above this, but it's fine. At least close, there was no follow-up, so also reasonable. I was the technicals talking about earlier. There is a gap, right? First bar that closed inside the gap. This, the open. The open right there. Probably the high of the next bar. 2 to 1. Right there. I've been nice. Nice playing out. But gold is moving, although I didn't do any analysis on gold. I've not checked gold for some time, but you can clearly see it's uptrend. So trust me, I've not checked gold for some time, so I cannot speak confidently. But what we can see is the pullback, right? Seeing the pullback, right? For this is the double, right? The double top, right? Based off of this, right? That's what we're seeing right there. It's moving, but to me, I've gone very far, right? Can we look for a pullback? If pullback, an option for us. Okay, well, it's not what I trade, so I shouldn't. It's what I look at, but it's not what I've been trading. So let me not bother myself. Let me stick to what my previous expectation, right? This would be a really nice zone for a sell if price break above this, which is very unlikely, but anything can happen, right? Remember, we have a very superior zone price rejecting from here, and target for that is here, right at the top. So price might push up, right? So that's that. What are you seeing, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Do you want us to start stocking price? because we can, if we want to, right? If for instance this swing low is taken because that's the change of character, imagine this and this and this, right? Is that not simple? Well, we need to wait for it, right? Waiting for it is the difficult part. So you have a clean close above, not close yet, we have a trading above, we have break, we have like a BOF, right? Break of structure or whatever you want to call it. Price is going up, so we expect this down close candle to support price, what ICD calls other block, right? So we expect this to support price for price to keep going up, but the price rejects and we go below this, we expect price to at least go down, right? Are there any PDRs? Well, kind of have a gap, probably test this in this phase, right? So logically, but what I'm expecting, let me see. Interesting, nothing significant. Possibly the New York session with my experience volatility. Gold moving to key area, that's key bit entertainment, time for checking by, right? Let me check gold key area. I didn't make analysis for gold, so thanks for letting me know for us key area. Okay, nice. What did you use to identify it? It would be nice to have a conversation, bro. What did you use to identify your key area? Like, what are you looking at right there? Right? We can't see a break of structure here, so I wouldn't consider anything yet significant to hold price. Rather, I will see it as sell side liquidity, right? That's what I would think. The sell side liquidity, because I really cannot see any. Okay, we have okay. All right, please point out anything that is of interest to you. I think we have a break of structure right there, right? But although we didn't break this, we didn't at least just go above this. So technically, right, what we have is high, right? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high. Kind of okay, let's just say low, right? Then lower high. Maybe we'll make it low, make it lower low, right? Structure base, I'm not seeing, except to be honest, I'm not seeing any structure here, anything that will hold price. If you think it's moving to area of value, please, it's rejecting F. Okay, is it rejecting fair value gap? Where can you, it would be nice to know, it would be nice to learn from you, bro. Okay, whichever one, right? A fair value gap rejecting for us. Can't see any fair value gap that is rejecting. You mean this? Mean the fair value gap here? Not rejecting, bro. It's not, at least not from what I'm seeing right now. We have a close inside, right? So technically, if I want to participate, I likely do a sell right there to target this liquidity, to be honest, right? To be honest, not seeing price rejecting fair value gap. Maybe, yeah, I'm wrong, but I'm not seeing it. Possibly moving up to the first neck line of head and shoulder, head and shoulder, head and shoulder. See on the 4-hour time frame on gold. Am I seeing something else? Where is the head and shoulder, bro? Can't see any head and shoulder here. Or are you seeing this as a left shoulder? Okay, I can't. Where? What are you seeing? I'm not seeing what you're seeing. Do you have a markup chart, bro? If you have a markup chart, please just send the link. Let me see. Head and shoulder. Oh, to be honest, I'm not seeing. That's wrong. That's wrong. That would be this. That's kind of head. Then where are you identifying as? To me, this is not clean at all. It's not clean. No. I see nothing there, bro. Except you're looking at another time frame. Oh, 1 hour time frame. Okay. Let me see. I'm not funny enough. I'm not seeing. Sorry, bro, but I'm not seeing what you're saying. Not seeing what you're saying. All right, thanks for checking by. Really appreciate a lot. Not seeing it though. On gold, probably. I'm not seeing head and shoulder pattern right there. I don't know. Probably I don't know what head and shoulder is, but I'm not seeing that. All I'm seeing right there is price moving down to take this liquidity. Might be wrong, but that's what I'm seeing, bro. Wow. That's what I'm seeing. Seeing this as a liquidity. Don't see anything holding price right here. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. I see nothing. Let's hope probably what you're seeing is superior to what I'm seeing, right? Nothing. Maybe price is a very nice zone. Yes, 15 minutes, right? That's a very nice zone for take profit. for the downside, guys. The guys who made the downside. Wow. Maybe if we see this take profit, might likely see this. I don't know, I'm not sure about this entry, but at least. But I think this liquidity around this low, this swing low is a target. How do you send the charts? All right, let me see. Are you on TradingView? Are you using TradingView? You can just copy, like, I don't know if this is delayed. You can just copy the link like this and then put it in the charts. I'm sure that will work. I'm sure it will work. Right, just copy the link, put it in chart. Are you using TradingView? Just copy the chart, copy the link, and paste. Oh. To be nice to see if you can, bro. To be nice to see if you can just copy the link and let me know. I'll love to see it. Let me see the head and shoulder you're talking about. Right, just joining us, please, guys. It's good. We are battling with gold, but I'm interested in Euro, USD. That's my interest. Okay. Something. All right. So let's see if we can go below this. Go below this swing low. That's 141. 416. Let's see if we can go below. If we can go below this, that would be interesting, right? For us to, but price didn't reach this, so price didn't get to the main area of value that I'm looking at. Probably I'm missing out something, right? Am I? Maybe, because we have kind of a breakout block right there. Maybe that's where price is rejecting from. Who knows? But I think looks like we have a reject what's called, right? If this is a breaker, for a breaker to be valid, I don't think this is a breaker. I think for a breaker to be valid, please correct me if I'm wrong. I think for a breaker to be valid, you need to take a swing high, right? Right? Take a swing high, then take a swing low. Then price move, take a low, return, then reject. I don't think that's a valid one. So that's off, right? But all right, let's just wait. Let's hope. I think price is just trying to play fast one, right? If on the buy side, these people are being very good buy from here or here, but I'm not buying. right? And of course, I'm not entering market order because price is moving. Right, that's even if I want to buy. If I want to buy. Let's see. If I want to buy, I'll buy here. Buy here. And target here. This buy side liquidity. At least here, then possibly here. But to meet a risk reward is nice, but probability of the trade working out, don't know. Price has not even made an attempt to pull back yet, so can't be thinking about that right now. But this is a nice setup anyway. Very clean kind of setup. I'm not a buyer in this market for today, so I just put a pending order right there. I'm tempted to do this. Oops. Tempted to do this. I have a fair value gap here. The high, the low of this bar, the midpoint. At least that is the first target. Right, guys, you are just joining us, please. I'm open to suggestion. I want to learn. That's the essence of this live stream. Let's entertain ourselves while we wait for setup, right? At least we are making use of our time well, rather than wasting it. At least I hope to meet new people, right? Have a community of like minds. It's gonna be interesting, really. Please, if you are not joining us, leave a comment. And if possible, subscribe if you haven't. It's important. Subscribe. Just subscribe if you haven't. Very important, right? You do that. What if on the second thought I just buy? Like this. Buy. Now that's not within my rules. I have to stick to my rules, right? Does that. Oh my goodness. I think we should have a background music. Forgot to download the background music yesterday. I think I can. Can I do that now? Will I be able to add scene when? I think I should be able to add scene, right? But I'm not sure. Oh. Should be able to add background music. Or let's just play. Let's just play. Let's use royalty free YouTube raw royalty free music YouTube. Oh, playlist. But which one will be best for us? Are they all royalty free? I don't want to get into trouble. To have a light background music, right? Okay, is this okay? Let's do this while we wait setup. Yeah, bro, I'm still interested in the setup for gold. It's not even right to say this is a break of structure. Break of structure should be somewhere here, so except you want to do internal break of structure. If not, break of structure to be there, right there, and that didn't happen. And if you look at structure wise, although we are still uptrend structure wise, right? But there's nothing here that I'm confident that can hold price, to be honest. That's what I'm thinking. This gap, fair value gap rejecting. Is that what you're looking at? The old fair value gap? Or this? Okay. I think that should be something to consider. Wow, okay. I don't know if that's what you're seeing, but if that's what you're seeing, that looks nice, but I appreciate this more. Although if you change to line chart, we made a higher high, right? If you change to line chart, we made a higher high, right? You can clearly see. But if you change to candlestick, price reached this level. So there's a print here, which I expected at least this price action should go above for me to consider this low significant. To me, not significant. If I want to consider probably this old fair value gap, maybe. Why? Because the swing here break structure, right? Multiple, not just one. We have one right there. So that origin did something very unique. Broke there, continue, broke this top, right? So we have kind of like multiple break of structure from this swing right there. So the order here must be very significant to have been able to move price from year to year to year, right? But I can't see that for here. So I believe price might likely retest, take this liquidity and retest this. At least that's what I'm thinking. I might be wrong, of course. I'm not even proving to be right. This is not a question of be right or be wrong, right? Just basic logic. Is there a better way of sending link on live chat? Or let me check. Nothing, bro. Nothing, bro. Come to think of it, can we do Telegram? Can you send it on Telegram? Right? Maybe on Telegram. If you can. I'm not sure you can send it to Telegram. I'll try to figure it out, bro. Maybe next live session, I'll figure it out. I just can't think of a way. Probably let me not lose track of what I'm watching. All right, let me try to see if I can research while this is on. So what do we have? Yeah, let me do this. Let's see the chat. Let me do it. Yeah. The only way I think is possible is what I'll figure it out anyway. Live stream, I'll try to figure it out. All right, if you are just joining us, you're welcome. Please send us a message in the chat box, leave a comment, like, subscribe. I have no like yet. What's going on, guys? Please come on, like. I'm awaiting the New York session, probably the New York session. We print more volatility. I don't know why I keep saying volatility. I don't know why. It's volatility now, right? VOLAT, whatever, right? Volatility. So we're expecting volatility. Okay, I hope I don't make this mistake again. Volatility. Right there, what are we looking at? I have a boring session. Nothing significant for me. So painful. I missed out on this amazing setup. Break even. I think from now on, I will just. I've been thinking about it. I think break even is a waste of time. You just put the trade, forget, and the problem is I think I know what's going to happen, right? Rather than acknowledging that at least series of trade, right? On a series of trade basis, right? Not trade by trade, not trade by trade basis, right? So if I consider series of trade, I would just ignore. We're all learning, man. This is not learning. At least I have a basic knowledge that I believe you can learn from, and of course you have a knowledge that I can learn from, right? Wow, I just got one like. I appreciate. I guess it's from TV's entertainment, right? Don't know, but I just got one like. That is superb. I love you, whoever dropped that like. I appreciate. Means a lot, right? Means a lot. Growing a YouTube channel is it's really hard, right? A lot harder than I thought, right? Really hard, right? To get subscribers is extremely hard. To get like, what you are providing must be really valuable, right? But I think what I'm providing is valuable, right? I'm hoping everybody will win. So unfortunate we don't have a setup. The setup we had in our live stream chat is still what's currently playing, but I was stopped break even. I have no new setup at the moment, so man, there's nothing. Let me go grab a cup of water. All right, what's going on, guys? For sure, one thing I don't like is so slow. My latency is slow. I guess I'll try to visit my next stream. It does slow. The delay is over 5 or 10 minutes also. Or probably, oh my goodness, I'm replaying. Oh, sorry guys. I wasn't live on my view here. Okay. Okay, now I get it. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. All right, there's no delay. It's good to know that. I'm excited to know that there's no delay, right? Looks really good. Okay. All right, so let's see. I think price is moving. Take this liquidity right there. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm interested in the buy setup. Funny enough, I'm interested in the sell setup. Like I've maintained so far, I'm interested in the sell setup. So these buys, they're not making sense to me. Here's why I'm interested. If you're joining us, here's why I'm interested in the sell setup. Right? We'll have price, of course, coming down. Right? So I assume this is a pullback. Rejected here, right? And it's coming down. So technically, if you look at it from this perspective, we should be going down. That's why I'm hunting for sell setup. Like this is the high, right? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. What happened right there? Right? What happened? That's the violation. Low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Let's expect a lower low. Am I wrong to expect this? Eh? If it's not a classic structure, eh? That's classic structure, right? Aye. Uh-oh. That's huge. Oh. 314 should be cool. We have a high, right? You already know there's no point waiting. We have a higher high. You know what market structure is, right? Higher high. Then let's. Oops. This higher low, right? Can just copy this. Right. Then right there we have the opposite, right? I hope someone finds this valuable. That's the essence of this live stream. I hope to learn from you while you learn from me. So this is it, right? That's why I'm expecting price to at least give us a leg down. Of course, price can do whatever it wants to do. Why is this moving? Why is it moving? Okay, I need to hold down control. All right. So I need price to tell me that it wants to go down. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm not even interested in this buy. Neither this is already past. I'm not even interested in this. What I'm interested in at the moment is price needs to tell me that it's going down. Well, if not very sure if I should take this trade. It would have been better if I take. I think this music is getting. Okay. This will be a nice setup. Oh, tempted to do this right there. My only problem is the buy side is not taking yet. Oh, but I'm tempted to do this. What do you see, guys? Please leave a comment. I'm tempted right there. I'm tempted to do this. Sorry guys, I think I have to take the risk. Please, trading is highly risky. By no chance, or how do I say it? This is not an invitation for you to trigger, right? Only do what you know what's it called? Please, trading is risky. Don't go do this, right? This is risky. This is not advisable for anyone. This is not a valid trade setup, right? But I am taking it. Let's see if this works out. Oh, this face. If this bar close above, oof, let's see. I doubt if market is gonna forgive this liquidity, whatever it is. This looks good to me. It's risky. It is what it is. If you can get all this for this risk, if you don't want it, right? You can get all this 10 reward for this risk. You know what it? It's worth it, bro. This is what it is. I still feel price. This is where I feel price is still gonna go up. That's bad to do on a live stream. Tired. It's what it is, bro. Even if price did not even go up, if price comes to this low, that's 4. So it's not bad. Price stop here, that's 3. At least I have something. Price goes, take my stop, come back the next day. Oh my God. Come back the next day, right? This should be fun to everybody, right? It should be fun to you, right? You come back the next day, at least you are alive to come back the next day. That's important, right? Oh my God. Guys, I appreciate everyone who is watching, who will be watching, and who will come and watch, right? music looks low. All right, so the level of my entry price could not close above, right? Significant for me. So I expect price to go down at least. If this is okay, this is a down close candle, right? This is a down close candle, another down close candle. This is a swing kind of swing low here. Whatever it is, I expect price to at least push, right? Price goes, take out my stop, it's fine. My stop is somewhere here, I think so. Stop at 141933. All right, let's pump. I'm waiting for the what's it called? I'm waiting for New York session to open. Let me see if volatility will be injected, more volatility, if the price will move faster. I think I made a mistake again. More volatility. All right. Okay. All right. In an hour, about, let's say, less than 15 minutes. 40 minutes time, we'll have the New York session open. Then think about the Chicago CME, right? When CME open, CME is another critical time to watch. CME is 9:30 now, 9:30. I think it's 9:30. So that was about that should be about 2:30 my time. Yeah, should be about 2:30 my time. All right, so as expected, the price is going down. How far it's going to go down, I don't know. Do I care? Of course I care. Money is in stake, but I care less, right? I'm in a carefree state of mind, right? There's no point. The trade is on. Either I go to a loss or profit, so why should I bother? There's two outcomes, right? Win or, right? Two outcomes. I said that earlier, right? There's two outcomes, right? Win or lose. I have deleted break even. It's either I win, right, or I take a loss, right? You see this BE is affecting me, right? I'm taking out BE from my trading. So bye bye BE. I don't want to hear anything from here again. So that win or loss. So even if I fail my trade at loss probability, I won't take it off, right? Because as you can see, this is the live example. I thought this trade loss probability, right? And look at what, after waiting for such a long time for the setup to play out, setup played out, and see what I would have gotten at least 1%, at least 1%, if not more than, at least the minimum 1%, right? My low is below this, my stop loss is below this low. So I barely see, my mic is kind of blocking my view of the screen, so that's what I'm trying to, you know. All right, right there at my stop, right? My take profit is here at this high. I'll give me about 8, but at least I've gotten half of it, right? So at least worst case scenario, I'll take 3 out of it or 2. But I've seen during my back testing, I noticed that whenever there's a close below this level that I entered, price is likely to continue downward. But in this case, price did not. So, well, it's all good. Just like this entry right there. If price closes above this level and there is a follow-up, it's almost, at least almost guaranteed that this stop will be stopped at, right? But at least price is responding as it should. So if price continue moving down, price can close, but at least, right, the next bar also should, which I think will happen here. After price closed inside, the next bar followed up. That's what just made me lose up. But you can see series of bars, candlestick, 5 bar candlestick, right? No one is watching right now. Where are you guys? Please come and watch. We have a setup. Are you bored? You guys were bored and you left. Now we have a setup. Okay. By 1:30, I hope to stop this stream. So I have about the next 3 15 minutes candle. Yeah. All right. Its price is behaving as I expect. Euro JPY. This is a swing high. Price is kind of forming a swing low around the supply level that I noted, right? The supply level that have been tested before. This is a retest. Price didn't even go deep. It's expected price, at least whatever it is, my stop is still above it. So if price just decide to weak me out, it's fine. I'll come back the next day. All right. Okay. But I think that's what price is doing. Price is setting, kind of generating liquidity, right? Deceiving people to go short, just like, yeah, price has deceived me. Go short, and come. But price, why I'm confident about this is simple, right? I feel that probably if I put maybe RSI, there should be a divergence. RSI or all okay, as you can see, without being told, without even putting it, I know between this and this there's a divergence. It's clear, right? Price is making a lower low. I think I should use trend. Price is making a what was it called? Is it a lower low? Yeah, price is making a lower low. No, sorry. The relative threat index, that's indicator is making a lower low. This is making a higher high. So that's tracking correlation, and that is divergence, right? I didn't need to put that to know that is what it's doing, right? That's because I've studied the chart for a very long time, right? So chart, even putting indicators, there are patterns, there are ways the price will behave. I would just logically think there's a divergence right there, even without putting the indicators. So you can see there's a divergence, right? So it's clear, right? Where is it? Right there. Of course, MACD should also give us divergence. Don't disappoint me, MACD. Give me divergence. Give divergence. No divergence for the MACD. What's it called? Histogram, right? Histogram, MACD histogram. All right. So let me check. Let's use the normal MACD if we spot divergence. So why is there divergence in this and there's no divergence in MACD? MACD is obviously telling me something. You see here, I think MACD is using these two lines to calculate, probably. I don't know its calculating method, but whatever it is, you can see the indicator is making the histogram of it, right? The video, you can watch it out about MACD, right? The MACD line, the signal line, the zero line, and all that. I talked about it. I think I also published one about it on TradingView. I think so. On TradingView, it's taking time to load. Okay, right there. MACD, everything you need to know, right? Right there. So if you want to learn more, you can go see. All right, so we have a divergence. These indicators, I don't use them. I'm just trying to show you something. Okay. I also don't use the what's it called? I only use the moving average. I'm trying to make analysis. So I use the Fibonacci a lot, right? A lot, but I use it for entry, for exit, for everything. For analysis, I just look at the charts, look at gaps and all that. Don't disappoint me, bro. You need to print bearish. I need you to print bearish, please. Print bearish. Don't disappoint me. Print bearish. Don't disappoint me. Print bearish. 1 minute to close. Don't go bullish. Print bearish. Whatever it is, even if it goes bullish, fine. The level is reacting. That enough is. And of course, overall, I'm expecting price to go bearish. So good. There's a lot that come back the next day. It is what it is. previous day high. I think that's where price is likely magneting to. That's like going against an established trend. This is going against an established trend, right? So we have 2 more candles left to end this session. Right, so New York session is open. Oh yeah, New York session is open. Right. New York session should be open right now. Let's see the next 2 candles. I will end the live stream, right? But you can clearly see this price closed bearish, which is significant and good for these buyers. The price is not just going to fall off, right? Of course, I'm sure you know price is not just going to fall off, right? But at least the supply zone is reacting. I hope it's going to go down. That's what I think. Because price does not have to do it. Because I am going against an established trend, which is risky. By 1:30, I will end this stream and do something else. So something around I'll be working with 11:30 to 1:30. Not sure if daily, is it possible daily? Not sure, but at least that's the ideal time frame. There's a swing high around that resistance level. So I don't know why the price is pressing up like it probably wants to make me scared. Of course, it cannot make me scared. There's too outcome. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Too outcome. Win or loss. And should I judge myself based on one loss? No. Should I judge myself based on one win? No. Series of trade. Right after like 10 to 20 trades, I will review all and see my win to loss ratio. So if I can get 65 win rate, right, for a 1 to 2, I should be profitable. Of course, I will be profitable, right? So it's a basic probability mindsets to outcome, win or loss. So irrespective of the movement of the price, I've entered, right? So whatever it is, either it stop me out or I go for gain. Hopefully, I hope it's gonna go for gain because that's why I'm here. That's why I'm spending my time. All right, and of course, I'm also spending my time to educate as many that are interested in learning while I wait for my setup. And of course, while I wait for my trade, of course, I'm not going to wait all the day. But once the stream is over, I'll shut down my computer, go pick up my kids from school, and do something else in my life. I know I'm still going to come to the chat because I'm kind of addicted to the chat. Sorry to say it, but it is what it is. I'm addicted to making this work. And this got to work. It got to work, right? It got to work. If I can do a short, let me do where's my got to work. Let me do a short video for YouTube and Instagram. Let me grab my other phone. I'll be right back, guys. All right, interesting. Interesting trade setup playing out. Is it a sniper entry? Looks like it's a sniper entry. Right, guys, we are live. I call this live, so I will encourage you to join us live, right? Interesting setup, I must say. On the Euro JPY, as you can see right there, we are live. So guys, interesting, good time. I'll be stopping the live in about 20 something minutes time, 20 something, I don't know exactly. Please guys, like this video, share with friends, family. It will be interesting to have you be part of this community live trade. I don't know if it's gonna win or lose, but it is what it is. It looks like so guys, part of this community live trade. I don't know if we don't know. It is what it is. Interesting setup data. This sniper looks like this sniper. Right, live. It's live. But ready to join live. Interesting setup. We'll see. All our people like us right there live. So guys, 13 time live in about 20 something minutes time. 20 something after that. All right, guys, I just finished making the short video. Probably when we are done with all of this, I might likely edit it or wait for the trade to either hit the stop loss or take profit for an updated, then post it. Right? Post it. I'll post it on YouTube Short, my Instagram page, of course TikTok. Post it. Let's post it. Hopefully this trade works out. If trade works out, it's gonna be a nice boost. It's huge. Even if I can take 4 or 3, the risk reward is nice to me. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, the next feeling tired already. I think we've been live for about 1 hour 42 minutes. So in the next 19 minutes or so, call it a day for today. This buy side that is left on taking probably is this other block or whatever you want to call it that is holding. Who knows? All I know, there's a supply somewhere around here. I don't know the exact one, right? At least it's a reasonable one because it did break structure, right, and price move further down. This leg here to structure, right, then went down. So there's a reason to believe that there are others here that might likely push price down a bit. That's the logic. It's nothing fancy. Might work or not. Gold, my friend who talked about gold. Maybe you should leave me a message in my Clint Onos.com@gmail.com. ClintOnos.com@gmail.com. I would love to see your setup. Euro JPY, Euro pound, Euro yen, please produce this result for me. Produce this result for me. I want to update the community that this result was successful. Whether the result was successful or not, I want to update the community, right? That's the interesting part of this. Oh, 60 minutes time. If you have any question, comment section. You want to talk, discuss, entertain, comment section. Okay. That's my little office, my trading station. I see my trading station. Have it right there. All right, so not doing bad. At least we could not go above. Maybe I should take this off. Could not go above this, right? So significant. What we want to see is this coming down, taking this swing low, but I don't know why it's going up, but it's all fine. It's an area of what was it called? An area we are seeing rejection, so there's a possibility by the reject again or continue upward, right? So it's all good right there, right? Yeah, bam, bam, bam. It's all good. Yeah, the entry, right? Okay. Let's hope it's gonna work out in the next 40 minutes or so. As soon as this candle closes, I think this candle right there tired already, so stop the live stream and go do something else in my life. Just work out, because we are gonna know. We will know tomorrow, right? Yes, we will know tomorrow. I need to update my journal for this trade. A very risky one that's going against an established uptrend. So that is what it is. Right, there's the entry again. Maybe it's interested in that buy side liquidity. That will be 95 can come down and take this low. Price is very bullish. Bullish. The euro is so bullish. Bullish. Euro is bullish. And pound yen is weak. That's what it's playing at. Let's see currency strength index. Currency strength meter. I think there's one I used to look at. Currency strength meter. I used to, okay. Euro is strong. It's weak, so weak. So weak. I believe it pickups. Euro is strong. Pound is more strong. CAD is strong. There's no life here at all. Oops. Oh. So as soon as this candle closes, I'll end the live stream. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Leave a comment. Be prepared. the time will be, might likely announce it, but I don't know. I don't have enough followers yet, so hopefully I'll get followers. It will not be nice if this bar closes above my entry. I won't like it, but it's all fine. At least 2 outcomes: win, loss, nothingness, no break even. I won't put anything break even. I'd rather take out the trade when at least I get 4 or 5. That's half of what I intend to get, what the setup says it's gonna get. That's taking this slow. That's really that's ambitious, right? 11. That's ambitious. It's 11. So, but if I can get 5, that's fine. That's good. If I can get 3 for the whole of the week. If I can get 3 for the whole of the month, that's even fine. If I can get 3 for the whole of the week, I'm done. I'm not done. I need money. I need money to achieve my dream. There are a lot of things I want to do. I've been in this game for such a long time and I've not been rewarded as I should, as I think I should be rewarded. So this game has to reward me, whether it likes it or not. I believe I've paid my dues, so it's time to benefit. I'm confident doing this live because I've paid my dues. I have slaved for this chart for a very long time, struggling, failing a lot, but I'm confident I won't give up. Right, I'm very confident it's gonna pay off. What I don't want is this bar to close above that. I just don't want it, but it can't. Don't like the way. Well, price is telling me that there's a likely possibility of it going down, but the buying pressure is high. The pressure to go up is high. That is what it is, guys. Hopefully see you guys tomorrow in the next exactly 1:30. I'm off. Just wait for this candle to close. Then we'll call it a day and see you next time. I hope you learned something, and I believe I've taught myself something as well, right? While I teach, I learn. While I do, I gain more confidence, right? So you can see the whole essence of this life is well thought out. Confidence, ability to stay waiting. I've waited for like 2 hours, right? We are streaming for 2 hours already now. So yeah, 2 hours, close to 2 hours. So that's nice to be watching trade for 2 hours. This is not nice to me. Don't like the way the price is currently trading. But it is what it is. The bullish pressure is very high. Ordinarily, you'll see price after that swing high, go to see price going down. But I think price want to reach out for that liquidity. At least it needs a fuel. There's not enough orders here, so it needs to fuel this with this liquidity. Who knows? I don't know, but let's wait for this candle to close. The gold my friend was talking about, I didn't see the chart. retired. Wow. Go down if you want to go down. Stop distracting us. Price refusing to go down. That's bad. That's bad. Took the eye. Took the swing eye. That's interesting. Alright. Tomorrow is another day. It's not over yet until my stop loss is taken. Kind of like this rejection here trick me. Is that what it's trying to tell me, that this rejection here? Rejection here, rejection. Swing eye. Price, why are you doing this to me? Alright, it's all good. It might likely go stop us out. Woo! It was really a nice time. I have very few viewers. No current viewer. One like. Hopefully I'll get more next time. YouTube journey is not a joke. Very stressful. YouTube very stressful. YouTube is very stressful, to be honest. So price is still pressing forward. Pressing forward very high. So maybe this liquidity. It's painful. Order. Alright guys, the trade is still on, whatever it is. I kind of added a little position, very small percentage, I believe it's still gonna go down at least. Even if it doesn't, who cares? Just added 0.1, right? 0.1% to my initial risk of 0.5. So total risk to be lost is 0.6. I still believe after taking this liquidity it might go down. If it doesn't, my stop loss is there anyway. All my stop loss, both of my stop loss is there. So it might just take me out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate